What's good, you guys? It is your girl Makayla here. If you found my channel from watching my lifestyle, renovation, room makeover, or my kitchen pantry video, this video should be speaking to you guys right now. I think it's about that time to decorate my room for Christmas, so all of my DIY juices are flowing and I am just in the mood right now. I went and got my Christmas decorations out of the shed. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the process of turning my room into Christmas wonderland, DIY on a budget style, how to do it cheaply, how to use what you already have, where to shop for cheap decorations, how to make it cute, all that good stuff. So I'm super excited to start this journey. It's going to be a continuous little journey. I'm not going to get it all done today because once I got my decorations out, I got to see what I needed and all that stuff, but I will be doing what I can first, showing you guys how I decorate with what I have. You're going to see me start to do some stuff around here. Before I even get into that, let me show you guys the before of my room so I can show you guys how it's going to turn into winter wonderland. There go. So right here I have my laundry basket full of Christmas decorations that I got. So this is all the things that I'm going to try to work with, the things that I already have, including these vases right here. They're actually antique and cute and white, so that should be good for Christmas. But I want to show you guys that I do have things already in my house that I will be using from past Christmases. Garlands, boxes, some paper, stockings. The next phase I will be doing is going on to my Pinterest. You guys know I love Pinterest. If you're not following me on Pinterest, what are you doing? But now I'm going to go on my Pinterest and look for some Christmas inspo so I can kind of get an idea of what I'm looking for, what type of vibe I'm going for. I think I'm going to go pretty traditional because whenever you start going into more colorful things, you can get kind of creative with it, but colorful decor costs a little bit more than the traditional red, white. And I'm also going to look for some cute pictures that I might even think about printing. So that's what I'm going to do now. Now is going to be the planning and prep stage. I'm going to be getting together a mood board of sorts of what I want my Christmas room to look like. So let me go do that right quick and I'll be back. Alright y'all, so one easy and fun way to add Christmas into a room is finding pictures on Pinterest that you love and putting them in frames. So I got this cute little black girl with her December going on, and I have this other one that says Merry Christmas, and I'm really digging these vibes. You guys know I already have a picture frame, so I will just be putting this in the picture frame. So that is the first thing I'm going to be doing. Then I'm going to be adding some poinsettias into my plant, so that's what I'm about to do right now. Alright you guys, so as you can see right here on my bed, I have a book that already is decorative because I took the cover off, which is another little hack. I have some red paper that I'm going to be using to cover some of my books in my room. I also have this whole Merry Christmas paper book, good old trusty dusty tape, scissors. Alright you guys, so this is the first little area of my mantle that is going to stay there. We're just going to have to decorate around that. But as you can see, I have my first little gold book that I already had. The second book I already had and I wrapped in paper. That's my crown. That is my little birthday crown. And then I just wrapped my book and I added a bow, so now it is a book present. And I just feel like this whole section right here is so royal and it's doing a lot, so I don't want to do too much for the rest of it. But I'm thinking about adding one of these right here. And I also have this cute little gift that I'm going to put somewhere, so that's what I'm about to do right now. Guys, so I literally forgot we had this, but this is a Christmas purse cookie jar. It's actually a David's cookie jar. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but it was a little cookie brand that used to sell purse cookie jars. I have another one underneath my vanity. This is definitely going up on the mantle. So once again, something else for free. Let's get it. I'm going to be organizing this area right here, my nightstand. So I basically just took everything off, but so far it's looking like I don't have to buy a lot of things. I will give you guys a sneak peek of my dresser. I don't know if I'm done with the nightstand yet, but it's looking pretty cute. So this is what I have going on. Alright you guys, so I actually found these really cute stickers right here. So I think I'm going to put this on my pencil case. Stickers are an easy thing that can come off and come on, so that is a nice cheap way to decorate your room, y'all. So I added in my ho 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 sticker. I'm gonna take this recycled flower from my last arrangement that was on my vanity and stick it in here. Right here I added in another present, so I'm trying not to do too much, but I feel like this is super cute. Everything is coming together very nicely. As you can see, it's still the same night, and I've gotten so much done just with the decorations we've had at home. At this point, the only thing that I'm gonna need to buy is some things that I'm going to pick up from Dollar Tree. So this is really going to be on a budget, on a budget, on a budget. Of course, I know not every family will have this much stuff, but as you can see, a lot of this stuff was DIY on the whim. So right now I think I'm going to move on to the dresser. Alright you guys, so it's 9:47 and I feel like I'm done for tonight. I think your girl has done enough. I'm quite tired. I definitely want some fabric, so I need to either look in my sewing room or go out and buy some cheap fabric of some sort, because I need a runner for my dresser. I think we have done enough for tonight, so I'm gonna holler at you guys in my next clip. Alright y'all, so yesterday I went to Dollar Tree and got me a bunch of Christmas decor. This is what I'm gonna be putting up today. I got a tree, some ornaments, a star. I got some fabric from Walmart. My canvas I already had that I will be doing a Christmas painting with. This Merry Christmas sign. This white table runner. This is just a coloring book I already had, so I'm gonna work that into the room somehow too. So now we're going to get into putting up my tree and putting up the runner. I don't even know what to call this, but I just called it like my makeup placemat. I'm gonna use this material that I got pre-cut at Walmart. They actually sell it already ready. It was a yard and I got it for $4. It's gonna match my chair and I think it's super cute, and I'm just gonna hot glue it down. Alright you guys, so last but not least, my next step in decorating my room for Christmas is switching my calendar from November to December. And let me show you guys my little room lighting. So I'm gonna just have these be green, and look at how cute. Your girl is gonna come back tonight to show you guys the room in all its essence, but I think that's it. Thank you guys for coming to another episode of Makayla Month. I hope you guys enjoyed this little room transformation. I'm gonna holler at you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna see you then.